So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of color grading not applying to whole video on Premiere Pro. That means if you try to apply Lumetri Color effect to a video, it don't apply to all the clips. It just simply apply to this particular clip. Now in order to fix that, just simply click on this option of file over top left corner, click on new right there and hit on adjustment layer. Now hit OK and an adjustment layer has been created. Now drag and drop to the upper layer of your timeline and extend it to all the project that you want to color grade all together. Now here you just simply need to drag and drop the Lumetri color effect to that particular color correction, that particular adjustment layer. Now whatever changes you made to this particular Lumetri color effect, you'll notice that the color changes have been applied to all the particular videos, not just one clip. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.